we're in the opposite direction. We were going to work on this left turn business where the left hand was doing the anti-spin all the way around. Yep, okay, so so front plane, opposite direction, 4-pedal anti-spin. Now 2-pedal. Now 4-pedal. Now 2-pedal. You're doing this. You're going from the 4-pedal to this. I was doing a pedal here and a pedal here and a pedal here. And yes, 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 nice. Okay, let's start in the 4-pedal. We'll start in the 4-pedal anti-spin. So, and then going to your left side here, do the reversal here to the 2-pedal. And then do the reversal back to the 4-pedal on that same side. So 2-pedal, 4-pedal, 2-pedal, 4-pedal, 2-pedal, 4-pedal, 2-pedal, whoopsie, 2-pedal, 4-pedal. Now let's do it on the other side. So we'll go over to your right side and then do the 2-pedal to the 4-pedal, to the 2-pedal, to the 4-pedal, to the 2-pedal, so the trick is when you're on this side and you're an underhand and you're trying to go into anti-spin, bring your left hand down. So in spin, the left hand goes up, but anti-spin, the left hand goes down. So we'll do the 4-pedal, bottom, left, top, right. Now in spin to the left side, then to the right side. Now bottom, left, top, right. Then in spin to the left side, now to the right side. Now bottom, left, top, right. In spin to the left side, to the right side. Now bottom, left, top, right. In spin to the left side, to the right side. Now add the other hand in, and we'll do bottom, left, top, right, and then switch again, switch, and switch again. Start again here, I'll mirror you. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, so left down, and now in spin. Now anti-spin, in spin. Oopsie, I didn't do in spin. Then anti-spin, in spin. Anti-spin, in spin. See, I have a harder time switching to the in spin than the anti-spin, which is funny. Because it's the easier one, I think. I also think what's weird about this move is the way you have to switch the orientation of the hands, because the away hand is in front on each side. So on this side of your body, the left hand is in front, but on this side of your body, the right hand is in front. So you have to get that orientation. Yeah, the crossing hand is in front, and I think that switch just makes it a little bit more, it makes it a little bit more technical, in my opinion. Your mileage may vary. Oh, I see. You basically did a stacked cap is what you did. But that's cool too. That's cool though. I mean, that makes sense. That's a fun one. I guess for balance, do the other stacked cap where you start on this side and put the other hand on top. Your left arm down, right arm up. And then do it so that your right arm goes down and your left arm goes up. And then I guess you could do both down, now both down, both up, think both up is really tough because you have to get that orientation switch going over the top. But you did do it, and then you did something cool right after it. You did the cap across the bottom, and then you went across the top and then rejoined it. Like, that's a cool pattern in and of itself, right? So cap, then 2 petal with the one hand, then cap, then 2 petal with the other hand, then cap, then 2 petal with the one hand, then cap, then 2 petal with the other hand. That's a cool pattern in and of itself. I mean, they're all cool. I feel like it can give you a lot of variety by just having choice of all of the reversal points with all of the hands in all the places, right? In together time, in split time, blah, blah, blah. And that was just one direction of that. That's great. Now, bring them both across the bottom in the cap. So that's the together time cap. Now, you're gonna take your right hand and do a 2 petal and a 2 petal and come back to there. Yes, then you go back across the bottom, zounk, in the same time cap. And then you're gonna take your left hand and do the 2 petal, go over the top and across the bottom, back to where you started. And that's the full sequence of the combo. No, go up and then go down. So now you're back here at the beginning. So we go across the bottom and then take your right hand, go over the top, across the bottom, and then both of them across the bottom in the cap. And now your left hand goes over the top and across the bottom. And that's the second full cycle. Now, cap across the bottom, your right hand goes up, then down, then cap across the bottom, and your left hand goes up, then down. Cap across the bottom, your right hand goes up, then down. Cap across the bottom, your left hand goes up, then down. Cap, left goes up, right goes up, then down, then cap, then left goes up, then down. Cap, up, down, 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 cap. I skipped the position for the 2 petal flower with the hand that was continuing around. So what I did was a cap across the bottom and then went all the way around, and then a cap across the bottom and then all the way around. Cap across the bottom, cap across the bottom, all the way around with the other hand, cap across the bottom, all the way around. Bum, 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 bum. 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 Bum, 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 bum.